Houston, we have a problem. Welcome to Chelsea in Bloom for 2026. The theme is out of this world, and ta-da, can you see what the Ivy have done? This is so incredible. Lucky for you, I talked to the florist who put this in so we could find out all of the secrets.
Hello, I'm Phoebe from Phohm, and we're at the Ivy Chelsea Garden for our out of this world floral installation. The theme this year was quite broad in the sense that out of this world, you could take it in a spacey direction or a bit more conceptual, but I think for the Ivy, it needed to be quite on the nose. Everyone that's seen it has seen those. We've got Saturn, we've got the moon, we've got the observatory, we've got the aliens. It's very clear what we're doing, the vibe. It's been nice, and there's like a few seating areas. You can sit on these, just be careful of the flowers.
If you know me, you know that I love a display that ticks off a few boxes, which means they need to be on theme, tick. They need to be super bright, tick. They need to be super Instagrammable, like you can see all the different places you can take the photos, double tick. And even better, if they are real flowers, which this one is, they are so much harder to keep nice, but ta-da, it's a tick all around for me.
That was the other thing as well with this theme, which was really nice, is that we were able to use florals that did feel out of this world. So we've got some really amazing dyed tulips that we've reflect. We've got anthuriums, we've got foxtail lilies, we've got these firework alliums, we've got orchids. Just got like a real mix, but I really was keen to have florals that actually people don't get to see very often, unless they're at an event or something like that. Like you won't necessarily see these in a local florist, especially on this mass scale as well. So it's just really nice to be able to showcase all these beautiful florals. This is another seating area. We've got the astronaut, Saturn, and another alien friend. I had these aliens custom 3D printed specifically for this. They've been my little buddies in my studio for the last couple of weeks, so I love them so much. Everything's been made completely bespoke, so this has been still welded together and made for it. Yeah, our spaceman, these rocks have all been scenic painted, and then the observatory as well, like amazing carpentry by Red Joinery, which is an amazing carpentry firm. During Chelsea weekend, hopefully it's not as rainy as this, they'll have ice cream from here. It's quite silly, isn't it? When the theme's out of this world, you might as well go in hard.
Just so you know your location, this lovely location here is a good 10 to 15 minute walk from Sloane Square Station, but a lovely walk it will be on Chelsea in Bloom Week. You'll be able to see all of the different displays as you get up here, and this is pretty much one of the last displays you'll find on this gorgeous street. Chelsea is an amazing place to come and look around, so make sure you take your time. The Ivy Chelsea Garden is a fantastic place to come for a cocktail. They've got a whole themed menu going on for the week. We've just popped in for a nice breakfast. I really recommend their eggs royale and their vegetarian breakfast. Oh, it's delicious. They've got a huge bit outside. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful inside. They've even got a beautiful pink bathroom with flowers on the ceiling, so you couldn't have a better place for your Chelsea in Bloom experience, and you'll be able to come and see this great display at the same time.
This area I think is my favourite. Just where we've got this really beautiful archway, hydrangeas, and everything swooping in the rocks that you can sit on and immerse yourself in the display. And just all the grouping with the alliums, you know, it's just like kind of seeing it more as different textures. It's just so fun. And the contrasting colours, like this section is so great. I love the pinks and the greens. We're completely like floral free studio, so that means that we use lots of tubes, we use lots of buckets of water and chicken wire. You basically kind of shovel the florals in, and then you can use the test tubes just to kind of make them pop out. Using sustainable mechanics is really important, and it's actually one of the rules in Chelsea and Bloom that you can't use foam at all. Which I think is a really great thing, but it does really test your capabilities because it's not easy at all to get it to look like this. And like to make this, I had an incredible team, so I can't take all the credit for it at all. Yeah, and they worked really, really hard to bring this all together, and we'll be kind of here for the next couple of weeks, really just maintaining it. I've got gold twice, silver twice, maybe silver 3 times actually. I think this is my 6th year. I'd love to, but it's the taking part that counts. It's so subjective, people's taste. And there's been people that I thought like stand out, they're gonna win it hands down, and they haven't. You really don't know what they're looking for. I think in previous years when I've won gold and not got like an accolade or anything like that, I think actually looking back on it, the florals that I used were quite basic, and the floristry techniques and things were a little bit more basic. So I'm hoping this time being able to show like the judges that actually this style is really interesting. It's contemporary, it's cool, it's inviting. I love looking at all of the posh ladies with their Chanel bags, just like their amazing fashion, and they smell amazing, and they're always so complimentary when they walk past. I just love all the lovely posh ladies that live off the King's Road. They're fantastic. I just had a veggie breakfast. Yeah, I love the halloumis.
If you've enjoyed this little rocket trip to the Ivy today, please make sure to like and subscribe. I've got lots more Chelsea and Bloom content coming for you very soon.